In this video, we are going to multiply a monomial by a polynomial, and this looks like this is a trinomial because it has three terms. We'll multiply 2z. By the way, this is the way I write z to make sure that it's not confused with the number 2. And we are multiplying negative z squared minus 5z plus 5. We are going to use the distributive law, which means that this 2z is going to be multiplied by each term. Okay, let's take a look at what happens. Okay, 2z, now remember that z is the same as z to the power 1. Okay, 2 times a negative, that's just negative 2. And then z to the power 1 multiplied by z to the power 2. Remember, when the bases are the same, we just add the exponents because the total number of times it gets multiplied would be the sum. If it's multiplied 1 time and then 2 times, the total is 3. Okay, so that's the first term. Next, we go 2 multiplied by negative 5, that's negative 10. And then again, z here is z to the power 1. When we combine z to the power 1 and z to the power 1 again, we multiply them twice. That means that is z to the power 2. Finally, the last term is going to be plus. 2 times 5 is 10. Now, there is no z to combine. We'll just leave it as z. That's the first part. Negative 2z cubed minus 10z squared plus 10z. By the way, as you can see, my Open Math also conveniently gives you a way to just click on z. Now, for the next question, it's 8 t to the power 7 u multiplied by t squared minus 6tu plus u squared. We are doing the exact same thing. We are distributing this term to each term in the trinomial. All right, let's take a look at the first one. 8. Then we got t to the power 7 and t to the power 2. Since the bases are the same, we just add the exponents. 7 plus 2 is 9. U does not have a corresponding term to combine. That'll just stay. The next term will be 8 times negative 6. You can use a calculator and you will see that that's negative 48. The t, we are going to write it as t to the power 1, and we'll do the same thing with u wherever we see it, so that it's clear how to combine, right? T to the power 7, t to the power 1, that means it's t to the power 8, and then u to the power 1 and u to the power 1 again, that's just u times u, which means it's u to the power 2 or u squared. Finally, the last term, 8, okay, then t to the power 7 you cannot combine. U to the power 1 multiplied by u to the power 2, you can combine 1 plus 2, which is going to be 3. Okay, now it's time to enter the answer and check to make sure that I didn't mess up anywhere. All right, let's take a look.